Hey Rebecca, this is Sisco. Thank you again for talking with me earlier this morning. Looking forward for your feedback on this video. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in and just giving you guys a free website audit and some tips and tricks as far as what you can do to outbeat your competition and get more clients and just generate more revenue for your company using your website. So I'm going to jump right to it. So Rebecca, one of the things that I look for when it comes to any website, I look at right away the content. So you guys have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Great layout overall on your website, by the way. Just right now, what I'm seeing is on your first homepage, I don't see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. What I'm also looking for is keywords. Okay, and a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to have those within your content because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. For example, I noticed that you guys are based out of Pompano Beach. I hope I'm saying it right. Anyhow, your guys' headquarters is there, so you want to let people in that area, like I do AC repair in Pompano Beach. So you want your keywords to be within your website, so that way you're being ranked. Now let's go over here to this specific tab here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how well your website's performing. So some of the things that I look for is typically here in this section here. This is your strength or your authority score. You normally are being indexed for that. And then this is your trust score or how trustworthy your website is. And currently you're not being indexed. So that's pretty concerning to me, because you have over 246 backlinks, so it's 54 referring domains. But look here, you have 0 keywords that you're currently being indexed for. So right now, your website's not being found on any Google searches. Okay, so that to me is concerning, but that's something that we can help. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these backlinks or these links, they act like an endorsement for your website and it builds trust with Google. However, not all backlinks though are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant links within the HVAC or AC repair industry, because if you were to get, for example, a backlink from Pizza Hut linking back to your site, it could hinder your scores. Or in this case, it seems like you're not getting indexed at all. Now, let's just look at your competition and see how well they're doing. Okay, so we got Lindstorm, and look, they have Air Conditioning Plumbing, Pompano Beach. This is a key word. Air Conditioning Repair, plus the city. So these are buyer intent keywords. Okay, Rebecca, and this is what you want your company to be ranked for. Plumber, Pompano Beach. Like, this is huge. Now, the reason why is, let me go over here to this tab, which is the same tool called Ahrefs. Okay, so this is what they're being indexed. They're being indexed at 2 for their strength, 27 for their trust though. And look, to my point, they have no backlinks. But guess what? They have good content on their website. That is just some factors that they take into consideration. Now let's look at their keywords, okay? Their keywords, this is what I'm looking for right away. I'm looking for air conditioning, Pompano Beach, AC repair. But let's just look at this one and look at the volume. What this means is that approximately 80 people are searching for this specific keyword. And that's huge, because folks that are searching for AC repair plus the city, that means that they truly need support. These are people that are needing service now. And this is just one keyword, and look how many of these guys are ranking for. Okay, so imagine if you guys were to be ranking for these keywords, how much more business you guys would get in the Pompano Beach. And that's just for that area, because I noticed you guys service other counties. So now imagine being ranked on those other cities. Okay, you would be dominating the digital real estate sphere. Now, the last thing I want to show you is, let's just take AC repair Pompano Beach and put it into Google. What pops up, Rebecca? So right away, let's take it step by step. This is the Google guarantee section. This is the Google ads. So basically, people are running ads on here, and anytime you call them, yeah, they're going to get charged, a CPC, which is called the cost per click. But hey, they're getting a phone call from someone that truly needs their services, right? The second area, which is my favorite, the Google My Business page. The reason why this is my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Some of the things that you guys can do to increase your rankings is, one, get more reviews, respond to those reviews, update and optimize your photos, optimize your content, and then send updates on a weekly, monthly basis to customers via the Google My Business page. Those things help increase your rankings. The last thing I want to go over, Rebecca, is the organic listings. Okay, remember how I talked about the strength and then the trust flow? So Google will index every website, okay, in particular for any keyword, in this case this word, and Google will rank them based on their scores. Now we see Yelp as being taking number 1, and then we see Lindstorm as number 2, okay, and then we see 1 Hour, Cool Air USA. Now that's just, they're organically being ranked on there. Anyhow, Rebecca, those are just some small tips and tricks as far as what you guys can be doing online to just be able to outbeat your competition. If you have any questions for me, please email me back. The last thing I do ask is I would love your feedback, would love your thoughts on this video. Like I said, this is educational purpose video, no strings attached. So if you could just email me back, that would be awesome. Thank you for your time, Rebecca. We'll talk to you soon.